today we are going to literature class. As you know that in the previous class I have explained you the the poem which is No Men Are Fallen. Okay, and in that poem I think that we have understood well because that was a short poem and we completed that in only one lecture. So okay, so now in today's class I will explain you the question and answer of this chapter and you have to do it by yourself. Okay, so the first question is. Uh, Beneath all uniform, what uniforms do you think the poet is speaking about? That means that in the poem we have studied that beneath all uniform lies the same body and all that. No, so in this question it is asking that what does the uniform refers to, or what does the poet wants to say by referring to the uniform. Okay, so basically you could say that the uniform refers to the uniform that the soldiers wear at the time of war. Okay, or the poet you could also say that the poet also means or the poet could have meant that the traditional dresses of the different countries, because every country has its own traditional dresses and that are different from each other. No, so this could also mean that the poet could have been talking about the traditional dresses of the different countries. So you could write any of these. Okay, yeah. So in the first question itself, second part says that how does the poet suggest the people of on earth are the same. So in the second part of first question, it is asked that how could you say or how could you say that the poet is suggesting that all the people on the earth are same. So you could say that poet is suggesting that all the people in the earth are same because as they breathe the same air, they are buried in the same ground, that is the earth. Okay, and they sleep and all the human beings sleep, they hate, they love and labor. That means all the characteristics which a human body shows, that is same all around the world wherever you go. That is anywhere in the world, people sleep, people hate, people love each other, they work for their livelihood and all that things. Okay, they also breathe. Also the importance of the sun and air and water is equal for all of the people. Okay, for all people the importance of air and sun or water is equally important, equal. It is not like that if you go in any foreign country then there the value of sun is less and they do not need any water or all that. Okay, the importance of air, water and sun is same everywhere. So in this way the poet is suggesting that all the people on the earth are same. Okay, yeah. In the second question it is written that in the stanza fund, first find the 5 ways in which we all are alike. Pick out the words. That means we have to pick out the words which says that all the people on the earth are similar. So there are 5 words. We have to choose 5 words. So you could write that first, each of us has a similar body, because the poet said that no, each of the human beings have similar body. They have 2 hands, 2 legs, and all that. Okay. And second, all of us breathe. That means all the human beings breathe air, as you know. Third is all of us walk. Fourth, you could say that all of us lie, because it's a human nature. So every people lie, love, hate each other. So you could write that also. And the fifth, you could write that we live and die on the same earth. Okay. So these are the 5 things which you could write down in your notebook for the answer of this question. Question number third is how many common features can you find in stanza 2? Pick out the words. That means you have to pick out the words which are common for people or humanity in the stanza number 2. Okay. So there are 5 words which are common and those words are sun, air, water, peaceful harvest, hands and the labor. So these are the 5 words which are common in the stanza number 2. Okay. So question number 4 is whenever we are told to hate our brothers, when do you think this happens? Why? Who tells us? Should we do as we are told at such times? What does the poet say? So I think this question you could do by yourself also, because this question needs a little bit of sensibility and thought process. This question will define how you think and how you understand the poem. Okay, so I will leave this question up to you so that you could solve it, or sorry, you could write the answer of this question in your notebook by yourself. Okay, and in the offline classes whenever it will start, I will check the work of each and every student, because I am uh, you know explaining the chapters also and I am also explaining the questions. So I guess you all would have been doing that well in your notebook. Okay, okay then, thank you class.